You take a Sweet 16 party, you blend that in with a bunch of competitive kids, and you throw in a scavenger hunt, and bam, there you go. The ultimate Sweet 16 party game experience. I have a lot of experience in those games. I've been producing games for Sweet 16 parties for well over 2 decades, and I can tell you they're effective. The kids have a lot of fun, and it will be something that is very memorable in regards to your daughter's big day. So, well, how do you plan it? I'm going to show you a really basic version, and then I'm going to answer the two top questions that parents always ask me, because that's who I'm always talking to when it comes to planning a Sweet 16 scavenger hunt. Now, first of all, get a pen, get a piece of paper, and let's put this thing together. First and foremost, you're going to just break it into 3 simple steps. That's how you're going to create this basic version I'm going to provide you. First and foremost, your photo scavenger hunt. This is going to be a scavenger hunt list that the kids are photographing themselves with a wide variety of items in the form of actions like a cheerleading pose or, forming a letter or locations in your area. And that's simply done by just going simply to a chat GPT and just typing in, provide me with 25 scavenger hunt items that pertain to a Sweet 16 party. Then you will create what I would say 6 Instagrammable video challenges that are suitable for a Sweet 16. So right there and then, as you know, with ChatGPT, it will produce you with that list. It is very simple depending on how big your group is. You're going to divide them into teams. I wouldn't go any further up than 5 players per team. Each one will be doing these challenges via their phone. You're going to add some points onto them in regards to those photo challenges, and you're going to print them out. And then, with that being said, you're going to hand them to each team. To make your life a lot easier when you're tabulating the scores, keep the scores just as a 1 score amount. So, action photographs, make it 25 points. Location photographs, make it 50 points. Your video challenges, make them 100 points. So that way, when you do the tabulation by looking at their phone on each team, it's easy to tabulate. And you should just have one phone for each team that is going to be doing all the photo and video challenges. Again, it will reduce a lot of headache by keeping it all on one phone. Now, the last thing you can throw on there is trivia about the Sweet 16. And that is just something that you can come up with, just simple questions about the Sweet 16. What's the exact date of her birth? What's her favorite movie? What sports does she play in school? That type of stuff. It's very easy to produce, and this is the only part of the game where the Sweet 16, for obvious reasons, cannot really participate in, because obviously she's going to know the answers. Now, let's go to those two top questions. And what do parents always ask me when they inquire about our particular Sweet 16 games? First and foremost, do you recommend chaperones? That is something that is amongst yourself and the kids and the location that you're going to be having this game. If the game is in your neighborhood, sure, you can really not need chaperones. If it's in a city environment, a lot of parents do go with them in regards to the duration of the game. And the duration of the game should be anywhere between, 1 hour to 90 minutes. That's tops. That's perfect. Sometimes parents will go with them for about a good half hour, see what they're doing, and then kind of reframe back and wait for their return, maybe go for a coffee, or they will go for the full time of the game. Sometimes if it's in an environment like an indoor location, like a mall or something like that, they'll just let them go and then have them come back. A mall type of scavenger hunt, first of all, you got to just follow the rules in regards to that location. And with that being said, even inquire the mall if you can have a very innocent scavenger hunt within their mall. A lot of malls allow it, a lot of malls do not. And when it comes to a mall scavenger hunt, you should just keep it at about an hour. I think that's plenty of time to do those photo challenges and video challenges. Now, the other question is when it comes to parents is, do you recommend the city environment? Do you recommend, an environment that is an indoor location? I always recommend a downtown area because the key thing is that not only are they playing a game, and by doing the photo challenges and the video challenges, they're making a really fantastic scrapbook from that day that everybody can share. And you can always upload all the photographs and videos from each phone onto a Google Doc, in regards to putting it there and then sharing the link in a zip file, or just downloading every all those items onto a zip drive and then distribute them to all the kids. Whatever you want to do, it's easier that way. That way, everybody gets to enjoy all those photographs and videos. So there you have it. It's really simple in regards to creating the game. Really coming up with the trivia in regards to the person that is celebrating and picking your location. After that, it's all about having fun. So if you want to learn more about our games, feel free, click the link below, hit the Sweet 16 race, and you'll learn a lot about as far as our version of our Sweet 16 games. And if you have any questions, of course, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, put them in the comments below. And of course, throw that good old like button. Other than that, guys, happy creating. I'll see you on the next one. And for more information about scavenger hunt ideas, hit the box that's going to pop up at any given moment. Thanks so much, guys. And as I always say, let's play.